friends, family, and everyone that watches my YouTube channel. My new subscribers, thank you. Also, talking about new subscribers, I recently, thank you everybody, thank you. I recently went over my 600 counts of YouTube subscribers and counting. I'm going close to 700, and I was wondering the other day if I should do a giveaway, because basically everybody does a giveaway when it's like a what should I say, a milestone in YouTubers subscribers. So do you think I should do one? Tell me below in the comment if I should do one. If I should do one, I'm thinking of doing some gift cards giveaway. Typically that's what people mostly do. Yeah. Or I ordered some t-shirt, like workout t-shirts that has different logos and different stuff written on them. Pretty cool, you know, simple but nice. So also I could also implement that into my giveaway. So yeah, do let me know if you would like me to do a giveaway for my 600 and counting subscribers. Yes, so thank you all for my new subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for watching them. You know, I'm just into the small YouTuber circle right now, and I'm still growing, right? I'm not doing this for the money aspect. I'm doing it to help me and to help everyone out there. Help me to motivate me in the sense of my weight loss journey. So yeah, please do continue watching my videos. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you a lot. And if you want, just, you know, comment. You know, I like reading the comments. I have no problem reading them, right? I'm not overwhelmed by any comments at all, right? But make sure it's clean, you know, make sure it's clean. Otherwise I'll read it but I won't post it. So yeah, thank you. That being said about my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, because you're missing out on a lot of things. Thank you guys, thank you everyone for subscribing, thank you for liking, and until I see you again, I always say until I see you again, Shana the other girl out, and later. Alright, thanks.